Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted subject in Photoshop with spot healing brush tool and hide tool. Okay, so now let's go all together. Okay, we go to Window, Layer, and then I duplicate this layer. Okay, so I use the layer copy to make it right. Now we go to spot healing brush tool. Okay, this one. And then I remove the cat that I don't want to keep. So I keep only the white cats in here, but the other I remove all, right? Okay, so I remove this one. Okay, and this one more. Okay, and this one more. Okay, for the cat I use hide tool. Okay, this one. Okay, so now it disappear, and this one also with hide tool. And we drag. Okay, here. Okay, so now this guy also disappear, right? And I keep this one more. I keep this white cat, right? Okay, so that's all for this lesson. So let's see the whole the original pictures. Okay, and now okay, this is the picture that we already make. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more video, please don't forget subscribe, like, and share my video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.